Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is sixth question of its exercise 3.2. So the question says that express the following as the sum of two odd prime numbers. So part A is 44. So हमें इसे two odd prime numbers के सम में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. So हो जाएगा ये 41 plus 3, and these both are 41 and 3 are prime numbers. B 36 हो जाएगा हमारा 31 plus 5. 31 and 5 both are odd prime numbers and sum of these are 36. C 24 हो जाएगा हमारा 19 plus 5. 19 and 5 both are prime numbers, odd prime numbers, and sum of 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. And D 18 is हमारा 13 plus 5. So 13 and 5 both are odd prime numbers and sum of 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Thank you.